fingers are the soft fingers. Again, very short video for you on a song from the Rumours album by Fleetwood Mac called I Don't Want to Know. Very simple. Okay, starts off with the intro, same key of standard tuning, doing it the same key as the Rumours album. Okay, and it's a B bar chord, 7th fret, and then you've got an F sharp bar chord on the 9th fret, playing it like a bar on the 9th fret and barring the 11th frets of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with your single finger or 3 fingers. Okay, and then an E chord on the, again, 7th fret bar, and again barring the 9th fret this time with your 3rd finger, pinky or 3 fingers. Okay, and it's just ba, 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 ba. Okay, got that? Ba, 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 ba. So that's the intro, and the verse is just basically the B to the B, F sharp, to the E, back to the F sharp. Okay. And then the chorusy bit is okay, that bit, and that's B, and then you've got an E sus2, so that's like a bar chord on the 7th fret, and then 2 fingers are 3rd finger and pinky in my case, playing the 9th fret of the 4th string and the 3rd string. Okay, so an E sus2, so, and then the F sharp. Back to the E. And so on, and that's all there is in the song. So it's a nice, short, easy lesson for you this time. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.